mission to find and drive the best back road. At the end of each drive, we'll give the road a score and add it to our list of the best back roads. Stick around to see where this drive falls on our list. Then join our mission to find and drive the best back road. Today in our 29th episode, we show you rev match downshifts and what can happen if you don't get it right. After each drive, we give the road a score and add it to our list of the best back roads. The road has some tight turns separated by more flowing sections, 5 of 10. The slalom-like descent into North Carolina is excellent, but driveways and poor pavement can break the flow, 7 of 10. At more than 20 miles, only train tracks, driveways, and intersections break the continuity, 7 of 10. There are places to pass, but they are limited. Find a gap before the tight curvy sections, 3 of 10. Many sections of the road are broken and in need of repair, 2 of 5. With a driving score of 24 points, the road is tied with North Carolina 276. This road is beautiful and traverses some rugged country, 3 of 5. With 27 points overall, the road is 18th on our list, just behind West Virginia 50. Drop a comment to let us know. Check the channel for a playlist with every video in our Best Backroad series.